I am going to announce to Naponi in particular that I am about to make an earthquake. Ha 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 ha.
Oh crap, 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 oh crap.
Yay, Chuck E. Cheeses, here I come.
We now return to Person of Interest. Only on CBS.
Oh yes. I love this show. Oh hello Trixie. How was your day?
You'll find this out on the news anyway, so I'll just say it up front. The great and powerful Trixie made an earthquake for no apparent reason. Ha 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 ha.
Trixie, what in the name of Unicron is wrong with you? You don't make an earthquake. Ever. You are grounded for quadruple tranquility. That means no magic, no TV, no computer, no video games, no life, no room, no sun, no moon, no sexy Germans, no Taco Bell, and you will also wear nappies. Additionally, you will only be allowed to watch pretentious baby shows such as Bleach, Naruto, Inuyasha, and Sword Art Online.
I don't believe you fully understand. First off, tranquility is not an actual measurement of time, and secondly, you seem to be forgetting that I can make earthquakes on a whim.
Which is exactly what I will do right now! Tremble before the wrath of Trixie! Bow before your named goddess of earthquakes or be destroyed where you stand!